One of the key challenges in warehouse and logistics are security threats or risks. In order to mitigate security threats in warehousing and logistic operation, we need to develop policy and procedural guidelines, making it a manual to audit and monitor the process, control system, as well as documentation. Non-compliance to the policy is a symptom of red flag. Secure high-value items with limited access among employees. Practice job rotation in order to minimize familiarization among each others and among the processes. Train and motivate your staff to do the same.